In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple column and stack layout in Framer. This is a useful skill for effectively organizing your design elements on a page, and it's perfect for both beginners and those looking to brush up on their layout skills. Let's start by opening Framer. Once you've got Framer up and running, your first step is to click on the Layout option. This will give you access to various layout tools, and for our purpose today, you'll want to specifically click on Columns. This is where the magic begins, as you'll be setting up the structural grid for your design. After selecting columns, the next thing you'll do is click and drag it onto your page. Think of this as laying the foundation for your layout. This framework will not only help in organizing content horizontally, but also play a vital role in ensuring responsiveness across different devices. Once you've got your column in place, you might be thinking about how to expand or modify it. To add another column, simply right-click on your existing column and select Duplicate. This is a quick way to make uniform adjustments and expand your grid system. However, for today's demonstration, we'll keep it simple by sticking to just 2 columns. So, if you've accidentally added more columns, you can easily delete the extra one by selecting it and hitting Delete. Moving on, the next item to focus on is clicking the Stack option. This feature enhances the organization of your layout by allowing vertical stacking of elements, providing a clean and established flow of your design elements. Once you've activated the stack, navigate over to the Layout panel on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll find important customization options that can refine how your layout looks and feels. To create a bit of breathing room between your elements, you might want to increase the gap setting. This adjustment ensures that your columns aren't just overcrowded and everything has its own space to shine. For this design, you'll also need to adjust the padding to 16. Padding, just like setting a gap, helps frame your content nicely, giving each section a visually pleasing margin. At this point, you might be wondering about the direction of your layout. In Framer, you can select between rows or columns for the direction setting, depending on what best suits your design needs. Opting for rows might be preferable if you're looking to emphasize horizontal spacing, while columns can be perfect for a more vertical arrangement. And there you have it. You've just created a basic but effective column and stack layout in Framer. By following these steps, you can ensure a more organized and professional appearance for your designs. Remember, the key to a great layout is not only how it looks, but also how it functions and adapts to different user needs. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.